one of the reasons I am here. Your cooking. Your sumptuous meal. Food. I'm famished. Please, get inside. Has Shelinia arrange it for me. I want to eat.
Okay. That means it's high time you hired me to your place to be your cook.
Come and see you. Husband snatcher. Yeah, okay. Hey, Muma, I should hire you. Hey!
Are we not sisters?
Didia, dear. Just hold it. So he was going to house and then snatch my husband with your cooking. Oh yeah, my darling. Thank you very much. Gracias. Your cooking, sumptuousness, everything that has to do with your cooking. Hold it. I don't want to go.
That reminds me. Talking about your husband. How is he? Because this is the guy you never dated. Your marriage to him was a surprise. Just 1 week of meeting him, and your diary is paid. It's a constant. I never saw it coming.
Of course you cannot see it coming. You're not a witch. It is my marriage and not yours. Yes. And again, thank you for being concerned. I appreciate it. Manandem, do you want me to be engaged with a man for 39 years before I marry? Then I will not wear this ring as a bondage. Is that what you want?
I'm your sister. I'm just being concerned.
Thank you. Mind your kitchen. I will mind my Mike. Mike is a very, very wonderful man. You see Mike? Oh my God, Mike. Oh my Mike. Mike is read my lips. Every woman's dream. Mike is a blessed soul. Mike was sent to me to make me so happy. Mike? Can you say Mike?
What is it that Mike did for you that made you marry him for just 1 week of meeting him?
Please, stop counting in 1 week. It's not in 1 week. You see, Mike, the very first day I met Mike, guess,
Tell me, I'm not this person. Tell me.
Mike gave me 3 million naira.
Hey! Did you say 3 million naira? No wonder. I thought I said, you know, you know, you women, money comes. Women come.
Ask me back who's there. I love my husband. I love my husband.
There's no problem. Well, you're in a better position.
What's keeping this girl so long, Not able to see me around here. What's the problem with her? Oh, my sweetheart. What kept you so long?
I have to wait for my father to go out before I start coming. And Iche, I have to go back to the house before my father comes back home.
I would have said, let us go back to my house, but I know definitely we decline.
Iche, thank God you know that one. You want people to start gossiping about me in this place, say that I'm dating an old man. No, I don't like that one.
Why do you have to say that? I might be old in the face, but below the belt, you know I'm a champion. You can't testify to that.
So where are we going to?
We are going outskirts of the town to a place called Newland Hotel.
Newland Hotel? I've not heard about that hotel.
No, it's that kind of village where we enjoy ourselves, have fun, and do resting.
Iche, did you say outskirts of the town? But I told you now, I have to go back to the house before my father comes back now.
You have forgotten I'm the man on the wheels. Before you know you're back to the house. Let me give you something. Don't worry. Let's have this. When we come back, I will double it. I have money. This is not too much. I have here.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, I forgot to.
Now you're talking, man.
Come on, come on, come on.
Thank you, Chioka, for...
Why are you calling me Chuka? Call me Oki. Pronounce it.
Thank you, okay.
Come on, give it to me.
Hey, please, let's go. People around. Why not, please? I don't want anybody to see me here.
The Tylers, are they not done?
They will be done in the next 4 days.
Are you sure?
Yes.
They need to hurry up. Oh. They need to hurry up because the furniture company is waiting for them. They're delayed. Even the other building is slow. What's going on?
I will not take off furniture for them. They will finish up. They will meet up soon.
Share this up for you, you this up for me. When level red, we dey watch our back. Now they buy luck, you dey buy data. Mona gine chakala, waiting for the beats. Now the color don't know. People let go away, mana. I look at the mansion everywhere. Joy one man, get us a cozy. He is so mean. Oh, yeah, then Imana Obia Jalanjana Obia Dinayama Obia Dinayama Maja.
Look, we are trying our best. Yes. Believe me.
Officer, you just have to keep trying. You need to do more. Listen, she mentioned a familiar name.
All right.
And then she mentioned Mike. That's the name she mentioned, Mike.
So, how is the name familiar to you?
There is this Mike we have as friend, but I don't know if he's the one. That's the problem.
Look, Mr. Stanley, this is a delicate matter. So we have to be very careful in dealing with it. See, it might not be the Mike that you were thinking of. In fact, as a matter of fact, my name is Inspector Mike Collins. Anybody could be Mike. So we don't have to assume or make a wrong move.
Okay, all right. Officer, now you tell me, what are we going to do about this? Oh, sorry, I mean, what are you going to do about this case?
Well, since the lady in question is out of coma, we have to question her and get some important information from her.
That will be nice.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
Thank you.
You are welcome. The police is always your friend, just that some of you don't believe.
Please convince me. Convince me.
Sure. I'll get it done.
You can do anything for the money. Oh, yeah, there are friends who are friends.
Hello, sweet angel.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Mind if I give you a ride?
Thank you very much, but I'm almost home.
Wait. Slow down. Beautiful woman like you can't be trekking under the sun. It's quite hot. Let me give you a ride, please.
Like I said, I'm almost home. I know it's hot. Moreover, walking is exercise. Thanks. you following me?
Sorry. Okay. Can I at least get you?
My name is Amanda.
Beautiful name. Can I get your number?
No. Bye.
Hey. Brother. You know? Hey. How you doing, man?
I do.
You do got drop one more. You do got drop one more. What's going on? How is Mama?
Well, that is why I'm here.
Okay.
Mama is dying. She has blood cancer.
Jesus Christ.
And the doctor said they will be needing money to start her chemo treatment immediately.
Hey.
You know? One day, that is why I came. So that you can help me with a little money, however little it is, so that they will start the treatment.
Bad timing. Bad timing. Very bad timing. I don't have. I've invested a lot of money into the business and building projects. I don't have. I know the kind of money you need to pay for chemo. That's a lot of money. I don't have.
Mike, my mother is dying in the hospital. Please help me.
I don't have. But you know me. We're more than friends now. We're like brothers. There's no way I'll have money and not give to you and allow your mother to die. It's not possible. I'll give you 20,000 naira right now. That's what I can afford. Hold on to that first. As soon as things get better, you'll hear from me. Yeah? Izuku, I don't have. I've invested a lot of money in some businesses and my building projects that, I mean, you know, no money. But I'll give you 20,000 now.
She had a sub for you, you the sub for me. When level red, we dey watch our back. Now they buy luck, you dey buy data. Mona gine chakala, waiting for the beats. Now the color don't know. People let go away one night. I look at the mansion.
Hello? Huh? Oh, yeah? Mayor. Hey! Mayor of Castor Bridge, the Cambodia. Hey, man, one day. How far? Okay. Ibaisa. You dey town? Wow. Hey, one. When you show? When? Oh. Hey. Thank God. Nah, Mayor, let us say amen. But wow, on the Kumasi level, man. So where you dey? Let's hook up now, okay? By sizing now. Okay, sure, banker. I'll be there one them. You see how God works? You see, when man decree God will walk now, he walks in mysterious ways. If this door closes, the other one opens automatically. This guy got a girl. Because I'm my guy is a mayor on Cambodia. Yeah, how do you know him? Madam Kone, on Akia and Rodia.
Njoku,
Okay, okay.
I was even going to your house.
I hope no problem.
There is no problem. I was going to see Gerard, your son.
For what?
I only needed your son Gerard's help.
What kind of help?
I was going to see Gerard if he could help me with the sum of 60,000 naira to pay back the loan I borrowed. Is Gerard at home?
Okay, okay.
Yes.
Are you a kid? Are you a baby?
Huh? No. Why the question?
Okay, okay. Why will you borrow as much as 60,000 naira? Hoping that my son will pay your daughter's wire fee and repay the money. Why would you do that?
Let me tell you, Joko, your son Gerard assured me next month. And it's even tomorrow. That was what he told me. And needless of waiting, I had to look for an alternative to raise the money and pay until the one he promises me comes handy.
Okay, okay. Okay, okay.
Yes?
You are an extra large fool. I mean a first class extra large fool.
Me?
That is what you are. I am running around to see if I can raise just 50,000 naira to buy drugs for my sick wife that is in the hospital. By the way, why are you hoping on my son's money, which is not certain? Is it his electric appliances business that has now gone scanty that he will use to give you money? Don't you have sense? I mean, don't you have common sense?
Don't insult me! I won't stand here and have you insult me. For what? Let me tell you, your son Gerard has been so helpful to me financially and my children. That was what he told me. He said he is going to help me. And I'm telling you, don't go back there and discourage that boy from helping me and my children. What is it? Because I know you very well. You can do and undo.
Okay, okay. What did you call him? My son. All I have to say to you is that you are a first class, extra large fool. That is what you are.
Simple. Call me whatsoever name you like. Call me the mother of all fools, Ijoku. I will take it. But I want you to remember, the only land that was left for you and I, that was sold, binding you and I, that money was used to empower your son Gerard. Else, I wouldn't have been in this position I am today. I would have had more than enough money to pay off my debt and at the same time, pay my children's wire fee.
Have you finished ranting? Have you finished?
I'm only just telling you. Don't go back and discourage that boy. Because your son Gerard benefited immensely from the sale of that land. You stand here to call me fool.
Have you finished ranting?
Don't call me.
Come and take the money. Idiot.
I will go and see Gerard. And I will get the money from him.
Go and see him. If you use gun and take the money from him, idiot.
If I'm to be taking gun, I will get the money from him.
Go. That is my house.
I thought about Mike. What about him?
My brother, forget about Mike. Oh. Forget about Mike.
Forget about him? Why would you say I should forget about him?
I don't know. See, Mike will be my friend. As I'm talking to you, Mike lock up. Mike come out, go collect money from Whitey. Calm down.
Mike?
Shishi, Mike no give me. Mike knows about my mother's condition in the hospital. Knows that the doctor is about to eject my mother from the hospital just because I cannot afford to pay the hospital bill. And then he has refused to help a brother.
That simply means he doesn't have money, okay? He doesn't have money. Okay, what kind of a man in his normal senses will have money and refuse to help a brother?
Bros, that guy in a poor guy, I swear.
You said Mike does not have money. Mike that is building a mansion.
Wow.
Bought a house in Asaba. Mike is everywhere. Mike gets money. But he doesn't want to help.
Why doesn't he want to help you? Huh? That's the question. Why doesn't he want to help you?
I don't know if you ask him.
Okay. You know what? I'll give you the money. Yeah, I'll give you the money.
Mayor.
Yeah.
Just like that.
How are we friends for, okay? See, your mom is a special woman to me, alright? I take her like my own mother, okay? I really value her a lot, okay? So, we rise by lifting others. If I don't help you, who will help you?
Okay? Mayor na Cambodia.
No
be you again.
Two gunshot. Boy, coca. Two gunshot.
One, thank you.
No
God will bless. Multiplication unto you.
Alright?
I appreciate it.
Yeah. You know what we're gonna do now is that we're gonna get to my hotel. So I'll give you the money in the hotel.
Okay.
So once I give you the money, you go settle the bills.
Okay.
Then you come back, let's talk business. Okay?
Alright.
And one of the plans why I came back is to take you to Cambodia. Trust me, alright?
One thing at a time.
Our
ball, About boys a time.
You never see to amaze me, okay?
Alright, brother.
Alright. Okay, so let's just head to my hotel, okay?
Alright.
Share this up for you, you this up for me. When level red, we dey watch our back. Now they buy luck, you dey buy data. Monagine chakala, waiting for the beats. Now the color don't know. People let go away one night. I look at the mansion everywhere. Joy one night, get this go see.
And now? No worry, I dey come. I've gotten the money. I'll soon be there to offset the bill, so don't worry. Alright.
Hey, oh daddy, mama, ciao. You can do anything for the money. There are friends who are friends. And there are enemies. They are unfriendly friends. Far from melody, look one bit in a zoo. They will smile with you, and you will think they are there with you. Before you know it's you're getting messing. He is so mean. Hey, Imana Obi Ajalang Janana. Hey, oh, daddy, mama, ciao. You can do anything for the money. Share this up for you, you this up for me. When level red, we dey watch our back. Now they buy luck, you dey buy data. Monagine chakala, waiting for the beats. Now the color don't know. People let go away one night. I look at the mansion everywhere. Joy one night, get this go see. He is so mean. Hey, Imana Obi Ajalang Janana. Hey, oh daddy, mama, ciao. You can do anything for the money.
Chimo, Jesus, oh. Hey, whoa, Chimo. Hey, Chineke. Come on, get my money,
Hey! I still can't believe this. This is a huge disappointment. How do I get the money to pay back the money I borrowed for you both exams?
This is sad. This is very sad. Our uncle robbed in broad daylight.
I can't still believe it. I can't still.
Okay.
How many times did I call you?
3 times.
Good. You are here seated. Where is my money? Where is my money? You told me last week, as you always say. Now, this is another week. Where is my money? The worst part of it is that you are avoiding my calls and meetings. Why?
Okoro, I wasn't avoiding your calls, nor our meetings. Okoro, I have a situation at hand right now.
I knew it. I knew it that there will always be a situation when the lender needs or wants his money. Where is my money? Where is the 8th grade money I gave to you? Where is it?
Okoro, please, give me little time.
Time?
I promise I will pay you.
Time! Time! I'm giving you this Friday. This Friday. If I come back here and you are unable to give me that money, I will lock you up.
Hey!
You must go in for it. Nonsense!
Okoro.
What? Nonsense!
Please now, don't lock up my father! Stop!
Papa, don't mind him. He's just joking. He will not do that.
Oh, Papa, we have to find a way to give him his money. That man is serious.
Will you shut up? Does Papa have the money and refuse to pay him? Nobody is locking my father in the police cell. Period. Papa, it's okay. Don't mind him.
What have I done to myself? Why do I even have to depend on people like this in the first place?
It's okay, he won't do it.
Hey!
Shoma. You look exhausted. Well, I just finished talking with the doctor and he said that Sandra will be discharged today.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, Mr. Comfort, I think you should go and freshen up. And let me take your time. I'll send her. Okay?
Thank you so much.
Sorry, no problem. Just
I appreciate it.
Doctor, your face is familiar.
Me?
Yes, I don't know. I have seen his face somewhere, but I just can't remember. I can't remember it.
Maybe you must have seen me on duty.
Okay.
Please, sir, you can stay outside. I need to attend to my patient.
Oh, I can step outside?
Yeah, I need to attend to my patient, please.
Okay. Oh, doctor.
Yeah?
Please, have you seen Dr. Zico? He told me once you resume this morning, he will tell you about Sandra discharge.
Yes, I did. After this morning dose, I will discharge her and get a nurse and prepare take home drugs.
Oh, you get a nurse and prepare her take home drugs?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, no problem. Thank you, doctor.
You can stay outside and I need to take care of my patient.
Alright, thank you. Thank you very much. Sandra! Doctor! Dr. Zico! Sandra! Doctor! Sandra! Dr. Zico! Dr. Zico! Sandra, hold on! Sandra, hold on! Doctor!
Uncle Gerard, welcome.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Where are you taking the gallons?
Oh, okay. I was sweeping the house. Okay. Then I swept your room. I saw dirty clothes on the floor. I said, no, nah. Whatever is worth doing well. So I said I should fetch water. Then I come back and wash the clothes. I've already swept. I've washed plates. The food in the kitchen. I've warmed it. So it's just this one. I've swept the compound safe. I just come back. I wash your clothes and that's all. That's all.
You're doing well.
Yes.
Thank you.
Let me just wash. I'll fetch water. I'll come back. I'll wash it. I'll call you.
One. Onye ọzọ na-achọ n'ike ite na-abụrụ anụmazụ.
He is so mean. Oh, yeah, Imana, oh, yeah, Jalan, oh, yeah, oh, yeah, you can do anything for the money. Oh, yeah, there are friends who are friends.
Doctor, I thought he was the money doctor you told me he's coming to relieve you.
The morning doctor is here to resume. That's why I'm still here.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Wait a minute. Mike came by the house to ask for, and later the provisions, and now this.
What do you want here?
I want you.
Well, I'm not available.
Simply means you were the wrong guy. Last time I saw you, you were trekking under the sun. Come on. You need a guy like me.
Really? Tell me, what makes you think I need a guy like you?
Isn't it obvious? I can buy you the world if you want. Anything you want, I can give you. Let me take care of you. Smart.
What?
What's this?
Why don't you find out yourself? There's actually more where that came from.
The gate is right behind you. Shut it after you.
Alright. Have a beautiful day too.
You too. Oh my God. What? What exactly does this young man want from me?
Mike gave you all this money.
Down to the last cent. Every money there, he gave to me.
But I asked Mike for money and he said he doesn't have money.
Come to think of it, the guy I saw today has got lots and lots of money. Lots of what you are holding right there. Trust me.
Okay, maybe I'll go back to him and ask him for money again. Tomorrow precisely.
You know what? That's a very good idea. But I think what would be better is that we take this money to the doctor.
You are amazing.
I know.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I appreciate you.
You're welcome.
You know, you are a darling.
Everybody says that. I know I'm a darling. That was a joke. But we should take this to the doctor. Really,
All
we should.
All right, nice.
Doctor, how is she?
She's stable for now. But we really need to commence her chemo treatment immediately. If not, things might get worse.
Anyway, Doc, this is 250,000 naira. At least it will get you started.
We need at least 1.3 million naira deposit for the treatment to get started.
Doctor, please, kindly make use of this. I promise you we will make up the money. Please.
My hands are tied. But I'll see what I can do.
Thank you very much. Thank you. I promise we'll raise the money.
Yes, sir.
Good day.
Thanks, sir.
Are you not late Okonkwo's son?
Yes, sir. That's me.
The one that shot his brother in his house?
Yes, sir, that's me.
Oh, so sorry for the loss. Sorry.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
But is Gerard in?
No, he just stepped out not too long ago. I hope no problem.
No problem.
No problem at all?
No. Can I get Gerard's phone number from you so I could call him much later?
Yes, of course. I hope no problem.
No problem.
Okay.
My phone. Come.
Yeah.
Okay.
080
55
419 6668. Yeah.
Okay. Well, thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you.
It's all right.
Yeah, it's okay.
My condolences.
It's okay. Thanks,
right?
Pa.
Say hello to
Thank you
them.
very much.
Yeah. Okay.
You can't go assuming things like that. I mean, you heard him. He said that Mike in person is not in the country at the moment.
The Mike I know left this country 6 months ago. The same month, same period, my brother was murdered. So what are you telling me?
Babe, are you assuming that he killed your brother?
Listen, don't get me wrong. Mike and Obina were good friends, okay?
Baby. Baby, please. Can we just allow the police to do their job? Please.
What are you insinuating? I am not stopping the police from doing their job. I'm even helping them. Listen, my brother Obina was shot dead and his girlfriend said he heard him scream out the name Mike, not on the phone, right there. And that same month, Mike left the country. Baby, listen, I'm not pinpointing anybody. I'm just thinking aloud.
Baby. My love. Can you please let all this thing go? I mean, I'm focused on you leaving the country. I mean, that was your brother's dream. That was what he wanted. Please. I love you.
And you think it is easy?
I love you, baby.
How are you doing?
Oh, my brother. My brother, I do.
I went by the house and Emeka told me I would find you here.
This is where I find myself all the time now.
How is mommy doing?
No, well, she's still alive.
We lost Sandra yesterday.
What? How do you mean? What do you mean you lost Sandra yesterday? I thought you said she was recovering.
She was until I told Mike where she was.
What do you mean until you told Mike where she was?
Mike came around a week ago asking about how we are about her. Today she's dead.
Stanley, that is not enough to accuse him of murder.
Sandra told us that she heard Obina mentioned his name before he shot him.
Stanley, this Mike is not the only Mike. It could be another Mike. What are you saying? What would Mike benefit from killing Obina and the girlfriend?
I thought the same thing too. But think about this. 2 attempts on her life after Mike's visit. Think of it.
I don't believe you. Mike is not capable of.
Capable of doing what? That Mike is not capable of killing someone. Think about this, ponder on this. Mike came around, asked about Sandra's whereabouts, and I gave it to him. He didn't even show up at the hospital. He sent a bag of provisions and death to her. That reminds me. I knew that guy's face was familiar. Yes, he was one of the guards that came with Mike to my house. I should have known.
Stanley, if it is what I'm thinking, Mike is the only person who knows about the deal. And he was the one who introduced Obina to me. And then Obina provided the account details.
The accounts? What are you talking about?
The money was paid the day Obina was killed.
Mama, Gerald, you're confusing me.
Hey!
Jesus.
Mike!
Stanley, what?
How? Hey, why is it that you cannot trust everyone in this life? Why?
Stanley. Jesus. What? Who is that?
What's wrong?
You tell me.
You tell me, Mike! Explain the sudden death of Sandra.
Who's Sandra? Why did you kill Obinna? What are you talking about?
You are asking me. You are the only person who knows about the deal. You were the one who introduced Obinna to me. The money drops. Boom! Obinna dies. And then when you heard that the girlfriend survived, boom! She dies.
Nonsense are you talking about? Really? So if God in his infinite wisdom decides to remove some people from this world and then boom! He blesses me, how am I responsible for that?
3 months. 3 months you made fortune. 3 months and you became rich. Listen. And I did you Are you listening? No, listen to me. You do not just have hand in this. Your body, your soul, everything about you is immersed in it.
I'll be lenient with you because you are my friend. You will not come into my compound and insult me, say all sorts of nonsense based on some baseless assumption. No.
Baseless assumptions. Baseless assumptions that you call it. Baseless assumptions you call it. Eh?
Mr. Man, if you near my guy, I will blow your head off. Is it mad? It's small toilet.
If you don't leave here, I'll blow your motherfucker head off. Are you a spirit? Come on, get over here. Listen to me.
Michael.
I will make sure you vomit all my fortunes that is swallowed. This is my money. This is my money.
Now move it.
If you tie it, move it. I know how much you guys forget. Listen, I will not rest until I get my money. Because of all this, I know how much you're paid. I know how much you're paid monthly. Because of these little boys, we don't know how to handle gun. That's why you're throwing me out of your house. Listen, when I used to attack Karaneke, I can to you down. We talk Hebrew about whole bansa. No shaking. See these boys, them. They know how they take by log. They know how much they take by log. Eh? They know how they find my sub. Okay, second missionary Johnny Kim go back. I will come back, and by that time, I'm will fall on your head. I'm going to tell you. I'm going to tell you.
This is war, and we fight it to the end. And we run.
Hello. Hello.
Hi.
Hi. I'm Ifunaya, but my friends call me Ifunaya. What's yours? Your name?
My name is Emeka.
Emeka, nice name. I want to tell you something about. It's just that I don't want you to see me as a bad child. You know, I'm not bad, but I think I like you.
What? You like me?
Yeah. Then.
Just like that?
Yes, I like you. You're good looking. You're gentle. You're handsome. I want us to be friends.
I don't want to be friends with anyone. I'm concentrating on my studies. I don't want to get distracted.
See, I swear, I'm not going to distract you. Let's just be friends. Friends, I will not distract you. I will not even disturb you when you're studying. We're just friends until we greet.
Just like
I like
that.
you, yes. Like
just friends like that.
Yes. It's okay by you, right?
Mm.
Thank you. So we're friends, right?
Yes.
We're friends.
Yes.
Okay. Let me get going.
Bye-bye. Okay. Bye-bye. Hi. Friends, just like that. Anyway, she's not looking bad.
To anybody way block my way. As you see me at the best,
why are you looking this way? You know I hate to see you like this. Listen. I need you to cheer up, okay? Mama will be fine. Alright? By the way, where is Emeka? I didn't see him outside either. I thought you said he came back earlier today.
He has gone to give breakfast to them at the hospital.
How is Mama?
Well, she's alive.
Were you able to get anything from your friend?
That beast. Michael is a beast.
Okay. Like I said earlier, you need to calm down. Alright? On a lighter note, I have a surprise for you. I would love to see a smile on that face before I tell you what it is.
Okay.
Okay, so I was able to get 100,000 from my brother in the CA. Yes. Come on, have the money first before you go. Stop. Take it.
Baby, I'm stressing you.
No, you are not. And you know it.
You are such an amazing soul.
I know that, right? Okay, so tell me, when are you going to the hospital?
Immediately.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
Because I still have this with me. You don't want the money?
Hey, babe, give me. Thank you.
There you go.
So are you going with me?
As my Lord pleases, just tell me what it is you want. And I'm here to serve you.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, baby.
I love you. I love you too.
Oh, beautiful girl. I love you so much. All right, here we go. I mean,
What's this?
3K, of course.
3K for what? 3K for what now?
I mean, please stop, please. Please, look, you have to manage it, all right? Just take it and do 1 or 2 for yourself. Why I run around to get more money?
Hey, Odi, my cream is 1.5. My clothes, not to talk of my soap. How do you think 3K will be enough for me, Odi?
Yes, that reminds me, now that you mentioned cream. Baby, you will stop using that your cream. Yes, I don't like it. I just don't like that cream.
Why?
Why? Just look at your skin. Baby, look at your skin. The cream is gradually condemning your complexion. It's not good on you, obviously. Listen, baby. You can actually go low, you know. You can get a good cream, you know, that can make your complexion glow of at most 800 to 1,000. Maybe, you know, is you. This regime tight.
Hey.
And besides, mbadani lemu na fana apa. I bagide romba aga kubwa kobaram story. Monkey born want to die.
Odi.
My maga they do me now.
Odi, I know. Odi, you're wicked. I knew it, that you don't love me. You never loved me, Odi.
You know how much you hurt me when you talk like this. For God's sake, I love you.
You is a lie.
I love you with every fiber of my being. Eh? Look, I mean, you have to calm down for God, oh. You have to calm down for God. Your bobo is trying. I am trying so hard. Listen,
Okwa wame ofuma ebole azu. Yes. Now baby way calm down, they dance buga last. So calm down, make you for dance buga, baby.
This is what you're telling me, Abi?
It's not what I'm telling you. Listen, I just want you to hold this first. Hold this, eh? Manage it and just do one or two for yourself. Okay? Why I hustle? Why I press to get more money? Please.
I should manage it, Abi.
Try. Do one or two for yourself.
Thank you, bye.
Amaka? Ami? Just like that? Women are too difficult. This babe no say I empty my wallet for her.
I'll give you the money you asked for. But only on one condition. Which is? Sign it. I'll write a check for you.
I should sign a document that states that I will never bother you over my own money again. Really, Mike. So you were the one who killed Obin and made away with my money.
I never said that.
You cannot deny it. Listen, Sandra already mentioned your name before her untimely death. Yes, she saw you and that was why you went ahead to finish her up when you heard that she survived.
Do you want to save your mom? If you do, sign the document. I'll write a check for you right now.